Hello, welcome to Dpotter'sclub. My name is Onyinyechi Ikea. I'm the founder of this incredible community and it's all about empowering the next generation. Here at the Dpotter'sclub, we believe every young person has a unique purpose given to them by God. A purpose we are committed in helping them discover. We know raising children and teenagers in today's world can be very challenging. We are surrounded by so many distractions, mixed messages. That is why our mission is simple but powerful. To build a solid spiritual foundation, instill timeless moral values, and help young people uncover what God's purpose is for their life. Whether through music, drama, games, or other personal interests, we create a meaningful opportunity for these young ones to explore what they are passionate about while rooting for them in faith and integrity. Imagine a community where your child aren't just learning skills or picking up hobbies, but are growing in wisdom, in strength, and in character. A place where they are supported in their unique gifts and being surrounded by values that reflect God's purpose for their lives. That is what the Dpotter'sclub is all about. So, if you're a parent looking for a faith-based community that will nurture your child's moral and spiritual growth, or a young person who wants to connect with others and grow in faith, you're all welcome to join us. Together, let's empower a generation to stand strong, live with purpose, make a difference in this world. Welcome to Dpotter'sclub, where your journey is our mission, God's purpose our guide. Thank you. Click the subscription button and see you in our next episode.